Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles makeup video, and we are going to be testing out something that's supposed to be amazing. I have seen two big influencers test this out and they both loved it. This is the new Smashbox Always On Skin Balancing Foundation with hyaluronic acid and adaptogens. Anyways, the last person that I saw Tati a while back try this out and say that it was like her new favorite. And I bought it then. And then just yesterday, I hadn't got a chance to test it out yet. And just yesterday I saw Risa does makeup, something like that. Anyways, she was testing it up against the Estee Lauder Double Wear, and you know, that's just a cult favorite for a full coverage foundation. I know my hair is like days old. They both loved it. Risa said it was as good, if not better, than the Estee Lauder Double Wear. So we are going to test it out. I got the shade L10N, and hopefully it's a good one. We're going to start with our primer. This is the YSL Touché Eclat Blurring Primer that you guys know I already use a lot. Alright, I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand. And then, ooh, it looks light on my hand, huh? But I have tan on my hand, and I don't put it on my face. No, it doesn't look bad. And we'll bronze it up once we get it on. I don't know if I put enough on my hand, but we'll see. So I'm just going to go in with a brush and move it around and see if it's as awesome on mature skin, because both of those influencers are much younger than I probably should have got a little bit darker because it's going a little bit lighter than my skin, and since I'm tanning the rest of my body, but winter's coming, so I will, and if it's as wonderful as they say, I'm going to want it to go into winter, and I can easily bronze it up right now a lot more easily than trying to make it match my skin once I'm not tanning. Alright, what do you guys think? I think it looks amazing so far. Of course, I have been pre-influenced, haven't I? Anyways, when Risa tried it, she did a bunch of check-ins and stuff, and she has super oily skin. I do not have super oily skin. And she said that she probably wouldn't recommend it to someone with dry skin, but I feel like I have just normal skin now. I don't have dry skin anymore. But, alright, I think I'm going to go in with a little bit more. Or maybe I'll just, only thing is, this usually lightens it up even more. You know, if you put it on and you think it's too heavy, just go in with your damp sponge. I didn't think it was too heavy. I just like to get the really good blend that you get with a sponge. But I always like to go in with a brush first, because I don't want my sponge to pick up all of it if I hit it when it's not spread out. Yeah, I'm gonna put some more, because more is more. Okay, I probably got too much more, but I just want to see how good I can get the coverage, and then how well it stays in place. it was a little thin up here, is why I put it up so high. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with my sponge again, just to blend it out the rest of the way. I did get it a little high up there in my hair. See if I can get it out with my sponge. Okay, what do you guys think? I think it's got amazing coverage. It looks good. It doesn't look cakey. I don't know, it might be sinking into lines. I've got a pretty good line on this side. I must be sleeping on that side more. Or maybe it was because I had a birthday. And that's a penalty. Yeah, because I don't see it sinking in anywhere else. Just this one huge line. Just need a lift, right? Just a little bit. Anyway. Let's go ahead and do my concealer. This is the DERMABLEND Cream Cover Cream. And the color is N6. Okay, I'm going to blend this out, and then we will powder and contour and all that stuff on top of this and see how if it starts to look dry or anything. Okay, let's powder this. I don't have very much powder left in this little one, but I have another one over here. I just want to get all the powder out of this one before I move on. Let's go ahead and use the brush on the rest of it. Now we're going to contour. Okay, and for contour I'm going to use, and the shade on this L'Oreal Lumi is deep, but it doesn't look very deep to me. I like this one because it's got a different tone to it. It's more red tone than orange, and I like that sometimes. Today. And then I just want a little bit across here, some down here. And then we're going to pull it down the neck a little bit. Maybe get a little more on there. How's the foundation looking now? Still looks good. Let's go in with a little bit of blush. I love my Dallas. You know I love my Dallas. And I'm really going for it like a dusty, outdoorsy look, so I don't want a lot of blush. Just a little bit of sun on the nose, on the cheeks, maybe a little on the brow. Now we, of course, even though we're going for a dusty outdoorsy look, we have to add a little diamond because you just can't not. So we'll just add just a slight sparkle today, not as much as blinding. Can you even see that side a little bit? Oh yeah, it's so pretty, so pretty. Yep, just a little sparkle, not much though. I may use this on my eyes too, because I just want a little sparkle there too. So let's go ahead and do the eyes before we spray so that the sparkle stays. I'm using my NTASHA DENONA palette, and I think I'm really only going to use this color. It's called Lash Line, this darkest color in the middle. That's what I'm going to put on. And I'm just going to take this brush, tap it off pretty good, and then start at the outer corner, pull it in and up, all the way across, And then I'm going to go to the middle and pull it the other way till some of it's off my brush. And then I'm just going to put it all the way across, making it a little bit darker on the outer portion, outer corner of the lid, right down here. Just a little darker because I'm not going to put liner on. I just want this to lift the eye by putting the darkness in the corner. Now I'm going to take the same brush and I'm just going to get it on the tip of it, and then I'm going to smoke out the bottom to cover up any wrinkles that are hiding out down there. I don't know about you, but I got plenty of them hiding out down there. I don't go all the way in though, because I got a lot right there and I don't want to accentuate those, and it will. So just like that, just to pull it up. Okay, I'm going to go in with a little bit of my Diamond Balm and put it in the center, which you probably won't even be able to see it. It's so subtle, but you can see it in person. I can see it. And now I'm going to do my brows so that I can put some up here too, and then spray. Okay, I'm going to use my POWMADE from Benefit, and I'm going to do my brows real quick. I'm going to go off camera to do my brows just because they take too long. I'll be back. Okay, brows are done. And we are moving on. I'm going to put some of this Diamond Dust, Diamond Balm, under my brow bone because it's so beautiful. And it's so barely there. It gives you sparkle, but it doesn't give you blinding. Even though it is blinding, it's just so beautiful. I just can't explain it. You just need to go into Ulta. They'll have one for you to try. Try it out on your hand and you will be sold. I'm sure of it. And then I'm going to put a little bit of brow gel on real quick. This is the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. Can you believe it? I actually remembered the name of it. You should be so proud. I am. Let's see if we can use one dip for both eyebrows. Good enough. And now we're going to spray my face real quick with my Morphe that I've had for a long time, but it still smells wonderful. And that will keep our Diamond Balm bombing. All right, I think for lips, since we're doing kind of a dusty natural look, we're going to use our Laneige lip sleeping mask today, because I haven't used this in a while and I really liked this. It gives you just enough glow. I know I got too much. Yep, perfect. It's got just enough color, which is not much, and glow, and so far I am super loving this foundation. I'm definitely giving it a thumbs up, and I'm gonna wear it all day, and if it changes I will leave it in the information box. Otherwise, just know it stayed. It's beautiful. It's got lots of coverage, but it doesn't feel heavy at all. It feels awesome. I may like this even better than my Makeup by Mario that I've been using ever since I got it. I've been loving it. This one I think might even be better. I'm definitely going to be using it on my next trip, which is next Saturday. I'm going back to California, so I will pre-film a video for you. I'm only going to be gone a week this time. And so anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!